how to send test email on Beehiiv. In this video, I'll show you how to send test email on Beehiiv. So to get started, go ahead and open Beehiiv into your preferred browser, sign into your account, and then go ahead and open your draft. So go ahead and click on this post tab at the left side of your screen, and then go ahead and open the draft that you want to use to send test email. So in here, go ahead and click on this edit post button. Now in here, go ahead and click on this preview button at the top right corner of your screen, and then choose between web view or email view. And after that, click on next. So in here, make sure to set this to web and email. And then on the next stage, go ahead and enable A or B test. So you need to enter up to 10 email address. Optionally, you can use the simulated subscriber feature to test personalization. But to send test email on Beehiiv, you need to have at least 10 contacts on Beehiiv to whom you want to send this test email to. Make sure that you have enabled A or B test. Now, after that, you need to review and confirm your test email, and then go ahead and click on that publish button on the next step. Beehiiv will stand the full post as it would appear to a subscriber. Test emails won't include unsubscribe links or fully functional magic links. So that is how you can basically send test email on Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.